Are you ready to get started on your own custom metal business cards? Or maybe one of our popular metal tumblers? We make the process quick and easy. Here's how it works. Step 1. Placing your order. Locate the product you'd like to order. Select a quantity. Upload your logo. And select any other options that might be applicable to that product. Next, check out through our 100% secure site. Your order will come instantly into our proprietary order management system called Titanium. If you'd like to order by phone, simply give us a call. All service is managed right here at our facility in Southern California. Step 2. Review your digital proof. In less than 24 hours, our in-house graphic design team will review your artwork and develop a digital proof for your review. Our team knows how to make you look good, so have fun with this process and feel free to make any notes or changes. Once you love your artwork, confirm your design to send your order to production. Check up on the status of your order at any time by visiting the customer portal. Step 3. Production and shipping. All of our products are made to order and to the highest standards possible. Production times are 2 to 3 weeks for metal business cards and similar products. If you're looking for something fast, our quick metal cards can ship in as few as 24 hours. Other products, like our customizable tumblers, promotional products, and gift products, all ship within 1 to 4 days after artwork approval. All orders ship via FedEx Ground for a flat rate of $10, regardless of order size or weight. Let us know in advance if you'd like expedited shipping. And that's it. That's the entire process from start to finish. Founded in 2011, My Metal Business Card is operated by our dedicated team with one simple goal: give you the means to instantly stand out and leave a memorable impression. We're experts at making you look good, and all of our products are backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Sincerely, we appreciate you watching, and we hope you will join the My Metal Business Card family.